Hi there. Today we're going to do an unboxing. I just received this box of Merbeau clean face towels. Let's open them up and have a look. Want to carefully break the plastic here. Don't want to tear my box up because the box also serves as a dispenser for this product. So we're going to go ahead and open this up right now. I can figure out how to do it. So I think what I'll do, and this is a little bit awkward since I'm trying to keep it turned around for the camera, but there we go. I don't want to tear the box up either. So we got that far. This will serve as a hinge. We can leave this part connected. It'll serve as a hinge so we can get it open and closed. Like so. All right. I'm going to pull out the very first one. We'll examine it and I'll tell you what I think. And it's got a little slot there, so you can put that right back in there. Here's the towel. These are disposable face wipes that gently and effectively remove dirt, oil, makeup, and impurities. And even though it's been a long time since I was a teenager, I still need to keep my face clean. Each towel is made with 100% USDA bio-based materials, and you can see how big it is. 11 inches by 12 inches. It's plenty big enough to wipe down your entire face and neck at one sweep. Dermatologist tested and free of harsh chemicals, these towels clean your skin without over-drying or irritating your skin. Keep Merbeau towels stashed in your gym bag, purse, or car glove compartment for anytime, anywhere cleansing convenience. There are 50 large wipes in each resealable pack, and they provide plenty of uses before needing to be repurchased. They're natural, made from 100% USDA bio-based materials that are renewable and better for the environment, and they're multi-purpose. In addition to cleansing your face, these clean face towels can be used for whole body skin cleaning and are suitable for men, women, the elderly, and children of all ages. You can clean your makeup tools. They're good for household cleaning, pet care, outdoor use, and traveling. I wish I'd found this a long time ago. I can see that they would be really handy for travel. If you've ever run out of washcloths, you'll know what I mean. Merbeau Clean Face Towels. I highly recommend them. I got them from Amazon, so I'll put an Amazon link in the description. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases, so I really appreciate you clicking through that affiliate link. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day.